Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Colette. I moved to Denmark a couple of years back. My husband is Danish, I'm Kenyan, and we have two kids, Hailey and Damien. Well, we live in an apartment, not bad, awesome, and we have an amazing balcony, which we never used because it was a mess. So this time around, my husband and I decided we're going to do something about it. We went out to look for furniture for our balcony, everything we did, but we couldn't get anything that fit the size of our balcony. So the usual, what did we do? DIY. So let's get into the video, see how it went down. My first DIY was a privacy screen, which was made out of 2x2s, 1x2s, and a lot of trim. So I started off by cutting all the pieces that I need, that is the end pieces, which were 2x2s joined together, and then cutting all the pieces that were going to be in the middle. That's the one that was going to create the lattice, that is the grid kind of look, and the frame that was going to hold the grid itself.
World, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination.
So I made some pilot holes because I wanted to screw in some screws to join the two pieces that I had glued, the 2x2s. Where we live is quite windy and I needed this thing to be firm and steady because I didn't want it flying over and killing someone. That would be the last thing I would want. So I laid it down on the floor, measured the middle part where I was going to make the inner frame which was going to be holding now the grid, the lattice itself, the ones that go horizontal and vertically. And I'm a visual person. Honestly, I need to see it, how it will look before I move on to the next step. Let me know in the comment section below, are you a visual person, or you just keep on going until you see the end result, or you stop in between the whole process or whatever it is that you're doing or building to see how it will look? Let me know down in the comment section below.
The traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination.
Back at the workshop, I got the paint out. It was this gray color with a green undertone. In the beginning, the idea was to paint this privacy screen black, but when I got to the hardware store and I saw the color card of this gray paint, I changed my mind and decided just to be like, let me just paint it gray. If it doesn't look good, I'll paint it black. So I painted it using a roller brush, and the paint has a satin finish to it. It's an outdoor water-based paint. Once all the pieces were dry, I laid them down on the floor again and I started arranging them on because I wanted to see how they will look. We couldn't combine this whole thing at the workshop. We had to do it like this first, take pictures, then take it home and assemble the whole thing. So the pieces I'm arranging there were the ones that were going to be part of the grid that was going to be in the middle. So we took it home and my husband helped me assemble the whole thing. I tend to post a lot of stuff on Instagram, like behind the scenes. Please follow me on Instagram and let's connect. The next project was the outdoor sofa. So what I'm doing here, I'm measuring and cutting a 2x4 that was supposed to make arms, so I will do this 2 times so I can have the left and the right arm.
I'm already on my way, on my way. You blushing, yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching, you do. Show me something.
So I placed all the pieces on my work table just to see if all the pieces fit, and they all fit perfectly. And then I went on and made pocket hole screws.
Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Let the sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet talk. 2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song.
Once I was done with all the pocket hole screws and combining the arms, we took the pieces home, sanded the whole sofa, stained it, and now to my favorite part, decorating.
Just begun.
So I started off by using some non-slip mats that I got from the grocery store, because the rug that I got from IKEA was kind of slippery and I was worried someone would slip and fall. So I got some non-slip mats that I used underneath, and here I'm just trying to figure out how to place them.
This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick.
I have listed most of the items that were not DIY down in the description box below, so check that out. Like this, most of the decor items that I had were from IKEA, some were DIYs, but I've tried my best to find some things that are similar to what I have in this whole DIY and balcony makeover.
Crazy, deep in love.
I have a video coming out in a few days, that is next week, on how I made this cushion. So if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click on the notification bell so you can get a notification or an update whenever I post a new video. And this was just an IKEA hack that you're going to love.
This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with.
The following day I got some soil and some flowers. I have planted my flowers, but they're not yet big enough to go outside, or to be planted outside yet. So I went on to our garden center and got some flowers and this planter that, oh my gosh, I felt so bad buying this planter because it's something that I would have made by myself, but oh well, you cannot just DIY everything. So I got the planter and some flowers and some soil, and what I'm doing here is just transferring them from the pots that they came in to this planter.
doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead. I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. I've been staring at the ceiling, I've been staying up all night. Everything I ever worked for vanished in the blink of an eye. I've been asking every question, 'cause I haven't got a clue. Why's it gotta be me? What the hell am I supposed to do? I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying.
I plan on adding some more flowers and plants in the coming weeks when it gets a little bit warm, because it's still cold. But in the meantime, here is the final look.
And I know there's so much more to this life, but it's hard to see it clearly. Yeah, I tried my best, but nothing turns out right. God, I need you now so dearly, 'cause I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can. I ain't got nothing left. Nothing left. Nothing left.
That was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share. It really helps with the growth of my channel. And if you've already subscribed and hit the notification bell, thank you so much. You're awesome. You're an amazing person. Mwah. And if you want to see more of my videos, check these 2 videos right here. I'm sure you're going to love them. See you in the next one. Bye bye.